buddy? Lizard on Burger's back, running around, about ready to jump off.
Is he? Where's he at?
He's under your armpit. Your big armpit, yeah. Hanging on for dear life.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
About ready to kill him with the smell.
Hey, yeah, that's a pretty brave place for you to be.
He's gonna drop in about 2 seconds.
No.
Now he won't. Now he's gonna go around your back.
Yep, he's going over here.
It's like moving across a mountain.
It is. It's got a lot of real estate. How long's the video right now?
I don't know.
Like a minute.
Let's stop. 30 seconds.
Yep. Buddy? Oh, there we go.
He's got the belly.
Whoa.
Let's go for the balls. Oh, he's in your shirt now.
Whoa,
Sweet.
I know the ladies and the men like that, but come on. Come on. Right there, buddy.
He's just chilling though.
Look at this shit.
Warming in the sun.
The one with nature.
Yep. Here he goes.